Hello, my name is Tabata and today I'm gonna show you the one-day tour of San Pedro de Atacama, and the tour is called One Day Getaway in San Pedro de Atacama. Starting at 10 a.m. on the way to Piedras Rojas, which is the farthest stop of all. Like you can see in the photos, it's a stunning scenery and it's a beautiful place, and it's really beautiful. At 12 p.m., we're going to move to Lagunas MISCANTI and MINIQUES. This stop is on the way to the next stop. As you can see in the photo, there is a country road to the side. In this place, we're going to lunch. At 1:30 p.m., we're going to lunch in a local restaurant in the zone, called INTI restaurant. And we're going to eat a typical Chilean food. After the delicious lunch, at 3:30 p.m., we will move to IGLESIA SOCAIRE, a special church in the area. Like you can see in the photos, is an ancient church in San Pedro de Atacama. And it's different to the other church in Chile. At 4:30 p.m., we will go to Laguna CHAXA, where we can appreciate more beautiful landscapes and take iconic photos. The second photo is really beautiful. To end this day, at 4:30 p.m., we will go to the last stop, which will be the Cementerio de TOCONAO, and appreciate more the culture of this city. And in the photos, you can see the cemetery have a lot of colors. In the tombs. At 6:30 p.m., the tour ends, and the guides give the group some farewell words. This tour it's for adult people because the kids can get bored, and yeah, it's for only for adults. And that's it. Thank you for watching.